In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 in this beginner's tutorial. If you're just getting started with this tool, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to help you create and edit your very first video. Whether you're a budding content creator or just want to try something new, Sora 2 offers a user-friendly platform to unleash your creativity. Let's dive right in. First up, we're going to create your first video. Open the Sora 2 app and tap on the plus sign, the one that says New Video. This is your gateway to starting your project. It's where the magic begins. What's great about Sora 2 is its intuitive interface, which makes it easy to set the foundation for your video. Now it's time to type in your prompt. Think of this as your blueprint. It could be a description of the scene you want to create, the motion you're aiming for, or the mood you want to convey. Be as descriptive and creative as you like. It's the specifics that will bring your vision to life. After crafting your prompt, you'll need to decide on the aspect ratio of your video. Consider where you plan to showcase it. A square format might work for Instagram, whereas a more cinematic widescreen could be ideal for YouTube. Following that, select the length and style of your video. Perhaps you want a quick and punchy 60-second clip, or maybe a longer narrative piece. Once you're satisfied with your settings, tap Generate and let Sora 2 work its magic. The app will render your video based on your input. Sit back for a moment as the software does its thing. After your video is rendered, it's time to move on to the editing and saving phase. First, review the video preview. Watch closely to see if it aligns with your vision. This is the perfect moment to pinpoint areas you might want to tweak. Sora 2's remix function is super handy for this task. Whether you want to adjust the color palette, alter the motion, or change up the transitions, Remix allows you to do so with ease. Don't be afraid to experiment. Creativity knows no bounds. Once you're happy with your video, you have a couple of options. You can go ahead and download the finished product to your device so you can keep it handy for later use. Alternatively, you can share it immediately on your favorite social media platforms. Either way, you've made something uniquely yours. And there you have it. You've just gone through the process of creating and editing a video in Sora 2. The more you explore and experiment, the more adept you'll become. I hope this guide has been helpful and has inspired you to continue your video creation journey. Thank you for joining me today, and happy video making!